Schorr. I'm a Spark member, a Spark Gallery member. Spark is an artist co-op that we have been in existence for 40 plus years, and we have just reopened our doors after being closed since March. Spark Gallery exists because artists are totally in charge. We can show any crazy thing we feel like showing, and we also have to mop the floors and paint the walls and hang the shows. So Spark Gallery has been closed tight since mid-March, and we just opened again yesterday. We're being very careful with limiting the number of people, requiring face masks, and washing our hands and everything else about every 5 minutes. What's special about Spark is that we have been in existence for 40 years. We were the very first of the alternative galleries to open, and we have longevity. Spark Galleries at 900 Santa Fe Drive. Our supporting members show is up now, a group show. Come down and see us. We're open Friday, Saturday, and Sundays for the next month.